Hey there! Now that you have set up filter groups, how do you know the lead assignment filters are configured properly, and each lead has a matching user group to call it? In this video, we will show you how to test lead assignment. We recommend that you configure filters in user groups so that each lead is called by only one user group. In such a way, the dialer works most efficiently. To learn how to set user group filters, see the guide by the link. You can check the lead distribution right from the group's management page. This feature usually answers the questions of, why wasn't this lead called, or why was this lead called from the wrong group? Click Test Lead Assignment on the right. When the window pops up, make sure you are familiar with the notes explaining how the feature works. Then select how you wish to identify a lead, by its ID in the system or in a campaign, its original ID from the CRM or by the phone number. You can find the necessary parameters on the lead search page as explained in this article. Then enter the ID or phone value, and click Run. If the check returns only one user group, your filters are configured properly. Click the Expand button to view the filter group title. In case the check contains more than one result, we advise that you adjust your filters. If you need help, you can ask for your dialer managers or support team's assistance. Good luck!